Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and we have a quick unboxing for you today, followed by a full review soon. This one is a little different. This is the Lapizta Zatara 43mm chronograph. It's a watch that blends race car energy with street style design, and honestly, this is a bold watch that we do need to talk more about. So this is going to be fun. You know the deal. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches. Today's video is sponsored by Slate Watch Company. Our channel has worked with Slate several times in the past. We'll put links in the description to our previous videos in case you want to check those out as well. These are good guys at Slate and so easy to work with. And they sent over this guy, the Lapizta Zatara 43mm chronograph. We're going to do an unboxing today and a full review soon. Let's pop the box and see exactly what it's all about. All right, here we go. Lapizta goes for that motorsports vibe right out of the gate, and their entire focus is on this watch. They do provide you with some very clear and detailed instructions, a surprisingly nice microfiber cloth, but no fancy extras. Just a clean presentation that says we are here for the watch. Inside, you've got the Zatara sitting snug in a molded foam tray, and the first thing you notice is the Zatara has that muscular case. It's 43mm of precision stainless steel with an angular shape that just screams racing chassis. It's got a very aggressive but wearable geometry. It's not too big, not too small, but you don't have to settle for a watch that may not fit your wrist. This guy also has a bigger brother, same watch, but in 48mm for those of you that prefer a larger piece. It has a 120 click unidirectional rotating bezel with a good amount of tension, which you really need for a watch that you plan to be active with so it doesn't get knocked out of place. You get solid pushers with an oversized screw-down crown with nice knurling, 100 meters of water resistance, and I gotta tell you, holding this watch, it feels like it's built like a tank. Let's take a quick look at the case profile, and this is a manly looking watch. You can see the crown right here. It's signed, and you get a good look at the pushers as well. This is just a rugged piece with a masculine profile. Let's go back to the top of the watch and have a look at the dial. The first thing that catches my eye is the legibility of the watch. The black dial matched with the white embassies, hour markers, and hands. You're going to know exactly what time it is at a glance. And these subdials really do mimic racing gauges. You've got a 24-hour indicator, running seconds hand, and a chronograph minute counter, all powered by a reliable Japanese movement, the Miyota OS 20. It comes on a thick and durable racing strap, and on wrist, it's light, comfortable, and surprisingly balanced to be a 43mm case. If you're into active lifestyle aesthetics, this definitely fits the bill for you. So here's the takeaway. The Lapizta Zatara 48 or 43mm is a sporty, unapologetically bold, and honestly sharp-looking chronograph. It's not pretending to be luxury. It's reliable and built for people who love the racing-inspired style without paying a fortune for it. We will deep dive into this guy soon, but I'll put a link in the description should you want to know more. You can check them out as well as the rest of the watches on Slate Watch Company. Also, remember you get a 10% discount by using the code MyDude10. One word, just type in MyDude10 in the promo as you are checking out. I'm Jason with My Dude Watch. Thanks for hanging out. And remember, it's not just about time, it's about your time. See you next time.